Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Fine. Today we are going to continue practicing grammar. Here we go. Open your book to page 81, language. Okay. Present progressive tense. Okay. We are going to watch a video. Please pay attention.
Present progressive tense. The present progressive tense tells us about an action that happened right now and will continue for a while. Forming the present progressive is very simple. Verbs be, am, is, are, plus verb ending in ing. My mom is baking a pie. We are watching a movie. For the negative form of the present progressive tense, just add the word not before the verb ending in ing. Verbs be, am, is, are, plus not, plus verb ending in ing. Adam is not playing basketball. I am not eating that pizza. To write questions in the present progressive tense, write the verb to be first, followed by the noun or pronoun the sentence is talking about. I am cleaning my room. Am I cleaning my room? Andy is studying for his quiz. Is Andy studying for his quiz? Important. Write a question mark at the end of every question. Now I know that the present progressive tense tells us about an action that is happening right now and will continue for a while. Need more practice? Check out the language section of your book for more exercises. The end.
Okay, after watching the video, let me explain you. The present progressive tense tells us about an action that is happening at the moment and will continue for a while. It is formed by using the verb to be. Remember, is or are or am in present tense and adding ing to the action verb. For example, I am learning new things. She is doing her homework. They are working very hard. Okay, exercise. Read the sentences below. Circle the verbs in the present progressive tense. The first one has been done for you. Be careful, not every sentence is in present progressive tense. Okay? We have the number one. Alice is drawing. A picture is drawing. Is the present progressive tense. Okay. We have so much fun with this game. No. They sat there on that bench. No. My dad is writing a report about his job. Okay, yes. Okay, number 5. Grandma drank her favorite tea. Okay, no. Our cousins are coming for the holidays. Are coming, yes. It is dark outside. No. Alex is running 3 miles every day. Is running. Okay. We are jumping rope. Are jumping, yes. She teaches us how to read faster. No. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. Okay? And remember, nobody's perfect. That's why pencils have erasers. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.